Now, Kashmir's Pashmina and Sozni needlework is famous all across the world. But with the changing market trends, this craft is now gasping for survival. However, a specially abled man is now trying to save this art form. He has brought together 40 more people just like him, creating a self-help group focusing on the revival of this craft. Take a look at our report. Every morning in the neighborhood of Gotapora in central Kashmir's Budgam district, voices sing songs of joy and love echoes. It is Tariq Ahmed and his associates starting their day at work with Kashmiri folk songs. Tariq is an award-winning Sozni craftsman and has been suffering from muscular dystrophy, a rare neurological disorder which leads to the degeneration of muscles. But his condition has not held him back from starting this group of 40 craftsmen. They have aptly named it the Special Hands of Kashmir. This is the first time that such a group of specially abled people have come together, creating unique pieces of craft in the valley.
I am thankful to you for coming to us. Special Hands of Kashmir is a group of artisans who are specially abled. I am myself 90% handicapped, but we are committed to promote and revive the craft of Sozni. We need to bring in new designs, new products to create a market. We at Special Hands tried a few new things like Khadi Sari with Sozni work, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi had asked people to promote Khadi. It got us inspired and we made use of it. We got a great response. We are trying to keep the traditional work alive with bringing in new changes as well.
Tariq has received many national and state awards for his exemplary work. He has helped in reviving the art of Sozni in the valley and also managed to put a big group of specially abled people together to save the craft. For him, it all started from his home with two of his brothers suffering from the same disorder.
We are three brothers, all handicapped. Our father has been working on this craft for many decades and he encouraged us to take up this craft. People used to treat us a little different and many thought we would not do anything but beg on the streets. I wanted to do something, so I decided that not only my family but I should get others who are looked down upon by society to work with us. I managed to get dozens of specially abled people to join this group so that they can earn their livelihood. And now I am proud of it. People who used to say they won't be able to do anything, we proved them wrong. I am sure we will have more than 1,000 artisans who are specially abled joining us in future.
There are around 40 specially able craftsmen working with Tariq. More than 500 others are associated with his group indirectly. He has personally trained all of these 40 artisans. His goal is to work for the specially abled and make them independent.
Tariq and I have known each other for long. He told me about his group and asked me to join. He convinced me that after joining I will be independent and able to earn my livelihood. Although my family is into the same craft, it was Tariq who trained me and helped me, and today I am able to earn my livelihood. Now we are also asking others to join us so they can earn their livelihood from this too.
Tariq is not only incorporating new designs into this craft, but he's also become an inspiration for thousands of specially abled people, giving them hope that they can achieve their goals too. With video journalist Feroz, Idris Loan for WION World is One.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.